Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. By the way, my name is Carvin John from TDL E1. So, you know how sometimes you're in a classroom or meeting and you see these two things. Yeah, these guys, the whiteboard and the chalkboard. Now you can go online and find a thousand videos telling you the pros and cons of each. But I wanted to do something a little different. I want to talk about the vibe of each one, the personality, because they are not just those, they're like different pictures. A comprehensive comparison between whiteboards and chalkboards in educational and professional settings. Whiteboards and chalkboards are two popular tools used for writing and presenting information in classrooms and meeting rooms. Each has unique features that influence the usage and effectiveness in different environments. Selecting between a whiteboard and a chalkboard depends on factors like environment, budget, and user needs. Understanding their differences helps optimize communication and learning experiences. Material and surface. Whiteboards have a smooth, glossy surface made of limited steel or glass. Chalkboards is a porcelain, enamel, steel, melamine, wood, vinyl, or acrylic. Usage preferences. Whiteboards are preferred in modern classrooms and offices for their versatility and ease of use. Chalkboards are preferred for sequential and informational teaching methods where content is created and modified in real time. Maintenance and durability. Whiteboards require regular cleaning with special solutions to prevent staining. Proper chalkboard maintenance, including seasoning, a new surface, and regular cleaning, ensures its remarkable durability and longevity, allowing it to last for decades. Writing tools. Whiteboards use dry erase markers that are easy to erase and come in various colors. The primary writing tools for a chalkboard are chalk, stick, and chalk markers, each offering different visual performance characteristics. Health and environmental impact. Whiteboards produce minimal dust, but markers contain chemicals that may affect quality. Airborne chalk dust from chalkboards can cause respiratory irritation and trigger allergies, while the materials themselves are low impact and biodegradable. Visibility and clarity. Whiteboards offer bright, clear writing that is easily visible from a distance, especially under good lighting. Chalkboards can have glare issues and chalk dust reduce clarity over time. Next time you see these two in a room, don't just see them as surfaces to write on. Think about the personality they bring, the clean, modern efficiency of the whiteboard, or the rich textures wisdom of the chalkboard. They're both amazing tools, but they tell a different story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.